Tammy Slaton is not one to hold her tongue when it comes to matters she finds completely baffling, especially when those matters involve her sister Amy in the latest whirlwind of wedding drama unfolding on 1000 LB Sisters. Fans who thought the Slaton family had already seen it all are in for another rollercoaster ride. This time, the controversy isn't about weight loss surgery, family tension, or rehab, it's about ghosts, ghouls, and the questionable decision to say, "I do," in a haunted house. Yes, Amy Slaton's wedding venue of choice has sent shockwaves through fans and family alike, but no reaction has been stronger than Tammy's. In a now viral scene from the newest season, Tammy doesn't just raise an eyebrow, she calls out Amy in front of the entire family and camera crew. With a frustrated tone and an unmistakable glare, Tammy dropped the unforgettable line, "How's that romantic?" The moment hit social media like a firestorm, igniting debates, memes, and even fan theories. But the real story behind this eerie wedding vision and Tammy's bold reaction runs deeper than just a punchline. It peels back layers of family tension, childhood memories, unresolved feelings, and a clash of personalities that fans of the show know all too well. Amy Slaton, known for her quirky, creative personality and love of all things unconventional, shocked everyone when she announced her plans to marry her fiancé Brian in what she described as a gothic dream wedding inside a local haunted mansion. Her reasoning: "I want it to be different, memorable, and true to who I am," Amy explained to producers. "This is who Brian fell in love with. He loves my weirdness. We don't want a cookie-cutter wedding at a boring event hall." And to be fair, her fans, especially those who adore her darker sense of humor, were thrilled. But Tammy wasn't. In fact, she seemed not only confused but visibly hurt, interpreting the choice as another way Amy pushes the envelope without thinking about how it affects the family. "We grew up scared of that house," Tammy said, referring to the location Amy had chosen. "You are out here trying to have a wedding where people got murdered or whatever. You think that's romantic? You think Mama would be proud of that? I'm sorry, I don't get it." The tension between Tammy and Amy has always been a delicate thread in the series. One minute they're laughing and hugging, the next they're yelling across the kitchen about diet plans or parenting differences. But this argument hit differently. This wasn't just about a location or a spooky theme, this was about deeper wounds resurfacing. During a private confessional, Tammy opened up emotionally in a way fans rarely see. Amy always wants attention. She wants the biggest, weirdest, most over-the-top moment. She don't think how it makes people feel. When she said, "haunted house," I just froze. All I could think about was when we were little and I got locked in the cellar of that house by some older kids. I cried for hours. I guess she forgot all about that. The backstory brought fans to a new level of empathy for Tammy. Social media buzzed with people sharing their own stories of childhood trauma being triggered by family decisions, and suddenly the "how's that romantic?" comment wasn't just sass, it was survival. Tammy was speaking from a place of pain, and for once, viewers were divided. Some stood by Amy's right to express her individuality, while others were solidly Team Tammy, believing the wedding theme was insensitive. Amy, on her part, seemed caught off guard by the pushback. "I didn't mean to hurt anyone," she said during her own confessional. "I thought it'd be fun. It's not like there are real ghosts. It's just decorations and vibes. I'm trying to have a day that feels like me, not some fairy tale crap I don't even believe in." Brian, Amy's fiancé, also stepped into the mix, trying to calm things down. "I love Amy and I'll marry her anywhere," he told the cameras. "Haunted house or courthouse, it don't matter to me. But if her sister ain't there, that's gonna mess with her head. And I don't want her sad on her wedding day." His words hit home with fans who had grown to admire Brian's calming presence amid the chaos. The man who once flew under the radar was now stepping up as the emotional backbone of the situation. "He's the only sane one in this madness," one fan tweeted. Another wrote, "Amy's lucky. Not every man would tolerate a haunted house wedding, let alone this family drama." Quote, "The production team captured it all, the emotional standoffs, the awkward silences, and the deeply rooted feelings bubbling to the surface. One moment showed Tammy storming off after another confrontation, mumbling, 'This ain't a wedding.' This is a horror movie, while Amy stood silently wiping tears from her eyes. The sadness in her expression told 1,000 stories. Maybe she had pushed too far. Maybe she hadn't realized how deep the wounds still were. Or maybe she was just tired of always being the one who has to explain herself. Meanwhile, Chris Combs, the sister's half-brother and fan-favorite voice of reason, weighed in with his own thoughts. "Yeah, no, I love a good laugh," he said, "but I'm with Tammy on this. Haunted house. That's messed up. Ain't nobody wanna watch two people say vows next to a coffin prop. You don't get married next to a jump scare." His take, laced with humor and real concern, added another layer of family pressure on Amy. It wasn't just Tammy now, it was Chris, the kids, even some friends from the church group who reportedly declined their RSVPs once the theme was revealed. In a small Kentucky town where tradition and respect still mean something, Amy's gothic ambitions were becoming more than a creative expression, th. Were becoming controversial. And yet, Amy didn't back down entirely. With the wedding just weeks away and pressure mounting, she began to reconsider her choices, not because she stopped loving her theme, but because she began to realize how isolated she was becoming. "I'm not trying to be selfish," she explained. "But it's hard when the only thing that makes me happy is the thing everyone else hates." She started making compromises, swapping out the fake skeletons for vintage candlelight decor, changing the scary playlist to moody romantic songs, even trading fake spider webs for velvet drapes. It wasn't the full haunted experience she had dreamed of, but it was a middle ground. "I still get my gothic vibes," she said with a smile. "But hopefully people won't feel like they're gonna get possessed while eating cake." Quote, the turning point came just days before the ceremony, when Tammy made a quiet visit to Amy's house. The camera captured a rare moment of silence and sincerity between the sisters. Tammy brought with her an old family photo album, opening it to a picture of them as kids in Halloween costumes. "Tammy as a ghost, Amy is a witch. I guess I forgot we used to love spooky stuff," Tammy said softly. "I still think a haunted house is crazy as hell. But I don't want you walking down that aisle thinking I don't support you. I'll be there. Just don't expect me to smile next to a corpse prop." Amy burst into laughter and hugged her sister, whispering, "There won't be any corpses. Just you, me, and a whole lot of love." That moment changed everything. Fans rejoiced, memes turned wholesome, and the haunted wedding, once a point of division, became a symbol of reconciliation. When the big day finally came, the decor was spooky but tasteful, the vows were tearful, and Tammy, dressed in black velvet, sat proudly in the front row with a look that said, "Everything, love wins, even when it's weird. Especially when it's weird." The wedding episode became one of the most talked about in 1000 LB Sisters history. Viewer praised the raw emotion, the humor, the healing. It reminded everyone why they fell in love with the Slayton family in the first place, not because they're perfect, but because they're real. Haunted houses, family trauma, sibling spats, they bring it all, and somehow still show up for one another in the end. As Tammy later posted on her social media, "Maybe I still think haunted houses are dumb. But if my sister's happy, then I guess it ain't that scary after all." And just like that, a haunted house wedding turned into a haunted heartwarming tale, one where sisterhood survived the ghosts of the past, both literal and emotional. The only thing left haunting the Slayton sisters now, is how they'll top this drama in the next season. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.